Alright, today I'm working on a Yamaha blaster, 2005, I believe. A friend of mine at work. The compression tested out at 90, maybe a little less than 90. It's hard to start, so did a few things to it, redid the carb. He bought it off somebody, and I just wanted to go through it for him and make sure it was good. All in all, it's in pretty good shape. For the top end kit, mine didn't come with the wrist pin or the needle bearing. It did come with the wrist pin. There's a lot of play. There's a lot of play in the piston when the piston was on there. It looks like it's all original. So he still has the oil injection on there. I'm assuming I'm just going to leave it on there for now. But I'll show you the kit that I'm putting in. Nothing special. Alright, so it's the piston. Even the piston looks like it's in decent, was in decent shape. There's a lot of carbon on there though, but no big deal. Well, that looks pretty good. I probably could have just quickly honed it out and put in a new piston, but I just went with one of these all in one kit. It's pretty good. Some of these casting flaws could be cleaned up, but it's not a race bike. It's for his kid. They just want to ride and be reliable. In another video, I'm going to show you on my blaster. I'm going to start porting out the exhaust a little bit and clean up the intake, clean up the transfer ports. I'm going to take off maybe like 5 degrees on the exhaust port up top. I'll show you what I thought was kind of neat, because the Vito's big bore kits, this is not that, but I thought it was kind of neat. So that's your old piston. I'm not sure which one was it's your intake. So it's standard, right? Standard piston. Well, in this kit, I thought was kind of neat. There you go. So the piston itself has your 5 degree cut in it, which kind of mimics when you do porting on your exhaust port and you come up and you grind out that little 5%, you kind of clean that up in there so the exhaust gases leave sooner. Guess what? This piston's already cut, so as soon as that piston goes down, that exhaust gas is going to get out a little bit sooner and give you a little bit more power, which is pretty cool for a replacement kit like this. Everything is already sized, pretty good. I'm going to pull out the calipers and just make sure that all that matches and lines up pretty well. Thought that was pretty neat. It didn't come with the studs. I'll pull these studs. I'd like to maybe use some new ones. But that's where we're at. So I will finish the video when we get it back together, and I'll do a compression test and I'll show you that. But very easy to do on a blaster. I mean, as you see, I didn't have to take really anything off. Just the base bolts for the head and carb. I had it off probably within 15 minutes. And I did notice, on the old one that it had a lot of play. So I ordered a bearing for that. It's a part, so I just want it to be right. All right. See you guys.